My name is Chaitali Bhagia, and today I'm here to give you a review of an amazing book, that is Sindhiyat, written by Mr. Tulsidas Pahuja. This book is all about the Sindhi culture, the Sindhi values, and definitely guiding you to the right path of life. How we can get inspired from our Ishq Dev, that is Lord Julilal. How can we really take into consideration his qualities? How do we use them in our day-to-day life? And definitely following the path of spirituality. This book has inspired me a lot. It has taken me to a different level, a different world, and definitely adding more value to my life, and definitely creating a more uplifting, a very positive vibration, and taking you to your core values of not only the Sindhi culture, the Sindhi community, but also the basic principles of Hindutva. Do check out this book, guys. It is available online and everywhere. And my take on this book is super awesome and excellent. Goodbye.